Hello everyone. I hope you have revised examples of exercise 10.2. So today we will discuss about some questions of exercise 10.2. So look at very first question. In this first question we have to write the equations for x-axis and y-axis. Write the equations for x-axis and y-axis. So look at this. We know that on x-axis, this is x-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. On x-axis, every point of y coordinate is 0. Every point y coordinate of every point is 0. So that means y is equal to 0. This line is y is equal to 0. On x-axis, x coordinate of every point. Suppose we are taking this point. So we can write 0 y. Y can be 2, 3. Suppose it is 3. It is 0, 2. So on y-axis, x coordinate is always 0. So that means this line is x is equal to 0. This x-axis, y is equal to 0 and y-axis, x is equal to 0. Now come to second question. We have to make the equation passing through the point minus 4, 3 with slope 1 by 2. In this question, one passing point and slope is given, and we know that if slope and passing point is given, then what is the equation of line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y1 is 3, x1 is minus 4. So it is y minus 3 is equal to m. M is slope here. M is 1 by 2. So x minus x1. x1 is minus 4. So it will be y minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 4. To multiply with this, then we will get equation 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4. And we will take 2y in right hand side and 6 also in right hand side. Then we will get x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is required equation. Now come to fourth question. Third question is same. So look at fourth question. Passing through the point 2, 2 root 3 and inclined with the x-axis at angle of 75 degree. So if we know that angle of line with the positive direction of x-axis is 75, then slope is tangent 75. In this question same, slope is given and passing point is given, so we can find the equation of line. So look at fourth question. Passing through 2, 2 root 3, line passing through 2, 2 root 3, then slope of line which incline with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degree, then slope is tangent 75. We can find tangent 75 by using formula tangent a plus b. Tangent 75 को हम लिख सकते हैं tangent 45 plus 30. So tangent a plus tangent b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. So we can use this formula here. Tangent 45 is 1. Tangent 30 is 1 by root 3. Tangent 45 is also 1 and tangent 30 1 by root 3. After solving this, after taking LCM and solving this, we will get root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. This is slope. This is slope of line. And passing point is 2, 2 root 3. Then equation of line will be y minus y1. y1 is 2 root 3 is equal to m. m is this into x minus x1. So equation of line is y minus y1. y1 is 2 root 3 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 is 2. So root 3 minus 1 multiply with these two and root 3 plus 1 multiply with these two. Then we will get root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 root 3 multiply with both. So it will be 2 root 3 into root 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 root 3 multiply with 1, it is 2 root 3. And x coefficient is here root 3 plus 1. Don't separate these. इसको ऐसे ही multiply रखेंगे. Minus 2 into root 3 minus plus 1. We will multiply these 2 root 3 plus 2. So we will take x and y on the one side and constant also in this side. So we will get root 3 plus 1 into x, this one. We will take y on right hand side. It is root 3 minus 1 into y. And it is 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2. And minus 6 minus 2 root 3. It will on right hand side. Then it is positive here because minus sign is here. It will be plus. Then we will get this equation. 2 root 3, 2 root 3, both are negative. So it is 4 root 3 and 6 minus 2, it is 4. Then equation of line is रूट 3 प्लस 1 इंटू एक्स माइनस रूट 3 माइनस 1 इंटू वाई माइनस 4 रूट 3 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. This is required equation of line. Now come to seventh question. In seventh question, we have to make the equation passing through 2 points. Passing through 2 points. So 2 points are given here, minus 1 1 and 2 minus 4, and we have to find out equation. So we know that if 2 passing points are given, firstly we can find the slope, or we can write y minus y1. We can use formula y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is minus 1 1 and x2 y2 is 2 minus 4. Then equation of line will be y minus 1. It is y1 is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 के प्लेस पर minus 4 पुट कर देंगे, y1 के प्लेस पर 1, and x2 is 2 minus of minus 1 into x minus minus 1 because x1 is minus 1. So it is y minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. It is 2 plus 1 3 into x plus 1. Then 3 multiply with left hand side. We will get 3y minus 3 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. Then we will take all terms in left hand side. Then this is linear equation. This is straight line equation. Now come to 8th question. In 8th question, perpendicular distance from origin is 5 units. Perpendicular distance from origin is 5 units and the angle made by perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30. So this is normal form. A perpendicular distance is 5 and omega is 30 degree. Angle is 30 degree. So how we can solve this? Here we have to find out equation of line whose suppose this line and whose perpendicular distance from origin is 5 units. This is P, and this line make angle 30 degree with the x-axis, positive direction of x-axis. So omega is 30, P is 5 units. So equation of line, we know that equation of line is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to P. We will put the values of omega and P. Omega is 30 degree here 30 degree. So it is x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to 5. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to 5. So after solving we will get root 3x plus y is equal to 10. We will take LCM. 2 will multiply in right hand side, then we will get root 3x plus y is equal to 10. This is required equation. Now come to question number 9. The vertices of triangle PQR are this 2 1, Q is minus 2 3 and R is 4 5. Find the equation of median through the vertex R. We have to find out equation of median. So in this question, this is triangle PQR. This is triangle PQR whose vertices are given. P vertex is 2 1, Q is minus 2 3 and R is 4 5. We have to find the equation of median. This RM is the median because we have to find out equation of median passing through R. So this is median. So median means the line segment joining the vertex to midpoint of opposite side. So this is median. We have to find out equation. We know that M is midpoint of P and Q. So firstly we will find M. Then we will get 2 points. If 2 points are given, then we can find the equation. So firstly we will find M here. M is the midpoint of P and Q. M is the midpoint of P and Q. So by using midpoint formula we can find M. Midpoint is 2 minus 2 upon 2, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So 2 minus 2 upon 2, 1 plus 3 upon 2. So this is 0 2. Midpoint is 0 2. M is 0 2 here. Clear? M की value आ जाएगी. Coordinate of M are 0 2. Clear? Now we have to find out equation of MR or RM. So it is 0 2. It is 4 5. Then equation will be y minus y1. Suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Then y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. We know that the formula, firstly if we can find m, पहले slope निकाल लें. आपको पासिंग पॉइंट गिवन है, देन इक्वेशन विल बी y माइनस y1 इज इक्वल टू m इंटू x माइनस x1. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस, after cross multiplication, 4y minus 20, 4 multiply with both and 3 multiply with these, so it is 3x minus 12. So we will take all the terms in one side, so 3x is positive here, 4y will be negative in right hand side, minus 20 will be positive, so 20 minus 12 it is 8. This is equation of line, this is required equation of line, this is equation of median through R. Now come to next question, question number 10. In 10th question, read 10th question here. Find the equation of line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through these points. आपको एक लाइन की इक्वेशन निकालनी है जो पास कर रही है माइनस 3, 5 से एंड विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द लाइन पासिंग थ्रू दीज 2 पॉइंट. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन? सपोज दिस लाइन, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन ए बी and it is perpendicular on this line. So if these two lines, passing point is given here, passing point is minus 3, 5. If we will find the slope of this line and these two lines are perpendicular, then we can find the slope of AB also. If we know about the slope and passing point, we can find the equation. We want to find out equation of AB, then how we will find equation of AB? We know that the passing point, if we will find the slope of this, then we can make the equation. So we know that there are 2 points are given here, then slope of CD will be 6 minus 5 upon minus 3 minus 2. What is the slope of CD? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 2 points are given, then we can find the slope of CD. Then slope of AB will be minus 1 upon slope of CD, because AB is perpendicular on CD. If two lines are perpendicular, then slope of one line is equal to negative of reciprocal of slope of other line. So slope of AB will be minus 1 upon, it is minus 1 by 5, slope of CD is minus 1 by 5. So slope of AB will be 5. Now equation of AB, slope आपको पता चल गया, slope is 5, M is 5 and passing point is minus 3, 5. Then what is equation of line? Y minus y1, y1 is 5 here, is equal to m into x minus x1, x minus of minus 3, it will be plus 3. So after solving this, equation will be 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. This is equation of line, this is required equation of line. Now come to question number 11. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 divides it in the ratio 1:n. Find the equation of line. Here ratio is given, we have to find out equation of line. So look at this part. Here one line, this is one line which is perpendicular on another line and it divides this line segment in the ratio 1:n. This line is perpendicular on this line segment passing through this line passing through the line segment passing 1, 0 and 2, 3. Line segment whose points are 1, 0 and 2, 3. This is perpendicular on this and it divides AB in the ratio 1:n. So if we will find this is perpendicular on this, then we can find the slope of this line. Because AB is perpendicular on this line is perpendicular on AB, then slope of AB निकालकर हम इसका slope निकाल सकते हैं, negative of reciprocal. But for making the equation of this line, we have slope, no passing point is given here. So firstly we will find passing point, slope we know that, then we can make the equation of line. So how we will find equation of line? पहले AB का slope निकालकर आप CD का slope निकाल लेंगे. Then we will find C point, passing point of this line, then we can make the equation. So firstly equation slope of AB 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1, this is slope of AB 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1. So slope of AB is 3. Clear? Slope of CD will be minus 1 upon slope of AB because AB is perpendicular on CD. Then this will be minus 1 upon 3. So slope of CD is its slope is m is minus 1 by 3. Now we will find the passing point, this one, x and y coordinate. We know about ratio here, then we can find the coordinate. So x coordinate will be 1 into 2 plus n into 1 upon 1 plus n. x coordinate कैसे निकालेंगे? 1 into 2 m suppose its ratio is m1 m2 or m into m ratio n. So m into this one x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n. So look at this, 1 into 2 plus n into 1 upon 1 plus n. So this is x coordinate, and y coordinate will be 1 into 3 plus n into 0 upon 1 plus n. So these are the coordinates. This is xy coordinate. Here we got xy coordinate and slope. Then we can find the equation of line CD. So equation of CD will be y minus y1. y1 is 3 upon n plus 1 is equal to slope. Slope is minus 1 by 3. Slope of CD is minus 1 by 3. Then equation of line will be y minus y1. It is 3 upon n plus 1 minus is equal to m into x minus x1. Minus 1 by 3. M is minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1. x1 point is this 2 plus n upon n plus 1. So cross multiply these. Firstly we will take LCM, and after that we will do cross multiplication. Take LCM. N plus 1 is LCM. N plus 1 into y minus 3. Here LCM is n plus 1. N plus 1 into x minus 2 plus n. So n plus 1 cancel with n plus 1. Then we will do 3 multiply with both. So it is 3 into n plus 1 y minus 3 3s are 9. It is minus of n plus 1 x minus into minus plus 2 plus n. Then we will take x and y on one side and constant also. So it is n plus 1 x negative here. It will be positive in left hand side. It is also positive here. Minus 9. It is 2 plus n, and we will take on left hand side. It is minus 2 minus n. Then we will get answer n plus 1 into x plus 3 into n plus 1 y minus 9 minus 2 minus 11 minus n is equal to 0. So this is required equation of line. Now look at question number 12. In question number 12, find the equation of line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passing through the point 2, 3. In this question we have to find out equation of line that cuts off equal intercepts. Equal intercepts means, look at this. We know that equation of line, suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis. If this line cut at x-axis at A and y-axis at B, then equation of line will be x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. But in this question, equal intercept means this cut at A, then this also A. Clear? A and B are equal in this case. So equation of line will be x upon A plus y upon A is equal to 1. Take LCM, then we will get x plus y is equal to A. This is equation of line. In this question, this line passing through point 2, 3. That means it satisfies this equation. Then x is 2 and y is 3 satisfies here. So x के place पर 2 put कर देंगे और y के place पर 3 put कर देंगे. Then we will get a is equal to 5. Then we will put x is equal to 5, a is equal to 5 in this equation. First equation, x plus y is equal to 5. So this is required equation of line. Now come to next question. Question number 13 is same. That is also intercept form question. We will do 14th question. Find the equation of line passing through the point 0, 2 and making an angle of 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. In this question, we have to find out equation of line whose passing point is given. It make angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. That means tangent 2 pi by 3, slope is given. Slope is tangent 2 pi by 3. Then we can find the equation of line. Because point is given, slope is given, so we can find the equation of line. And we have to find out equation of line which is parallel to it. Also find the equation of line parallel to it and crossing the y-axis at distance of 2 units below the origin. Here 2 questions are given. In first part, we have to find the equation of line whose passing point is 0, 2 and slope is tangent to pi by 3, and second line which is parallel to it and passing point is 0, minus 2 because it crosses the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. So look at this question. Firstly, we have to find out equation of line whose slope is tangent 2 pi by 3. Tangent 2 pi by 3 is tangent pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 को हम लिख सकते हैं pi minus pi by 3. In second quadrant, tangent is negative, so we can write minus. Okay, but tangent 180 use हो रहा है तो tangent ही आएगा minus tangent pi by 3. So it is minus root 3 because tangent pi by 3 is root 3. So it is minus root 3. Then this is slope and passing point is 0, 2. Then equation of line passing through 0, 2 and slope is minus root 3 is y minus 2. It is y1, x1, y1. y1 is 2 is equal to m. This is slope into x minus x1. x1 is 0 here. So then y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3 into x. It is minus root 3x. Then we will take on left hand side. So it is root 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is required equation of line. Now we will do second part of this question. In this part, the line parallel to the line, the given line is this. It is parallel to line. We have to find out parallel line to this. That means slope of these two lines are equal. If two lines are parallel, suppose one line is this and other line is this, then these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel and it crosses this at 2 units below the origin. So it is crosses the y-axis at 2 units below the origin, means 0, minus 2. So slope is given slope because these two parallel lines. If this slope is minus root 3, then this slope is also minus root 3. Then slope is minus root 3 and it passes through 0, minus 2. Then what is equation of line? Y minus 2, y minus 2 is equal to m into x minus x1. So it is y plus 2 is equal to minus root 3x. Then equation of line will be root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is equation of line. Now come to 18th question. Because you will do 15, 16 questions. These are easy and 17 also. So I am doing 18th question. PAB is the midpoint of line segment between the axis. AB is the midpoint of line segment between the axis. Show that equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. So look at this question. In this question, a line segment, this one, between the axis, that means this. Its midpoint is AB. Line segment midpoint is AB. We have to find out equation of line. Suppose this point is 0k and this is at 0. Clear? Suppose this line intercepts are h and k on x-axis and y-axis. Then equation of line will be x upon h plus y upon k is equal to 1. But we have to make the equation in the form of AB. We have to show that this is x upon a plus y upon a is equal to 2. So we know that here a is the midpoint of 0 and h and b is the midpoint of k and 0. So we can write here a is equal to 0 plus h upon 2, h plus 0 upon 2 and b is equal to 0 plus k upon 2. Then we will get a is equal to h by 2, b is equal to k by 2. That means h is equal to 2a and k is equal to 2b. Then we will put the values of h and k in this equation. Equation of line is x upon h plus y upon k is equal to 1. Then we will put the values of h and k here. So it is x upon 2a plus y upon 2b is equal to 1. 1 upon 2 common. So it is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. 2 will multiply in right hand side. So it is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. Hence proved.